is? Is he right above that aspen?
He's right above that aspen.
I got him. I got him. Yeah. I got him.
Are you on him?
Yeah.
Okay.
487. I'm going to use the first bar down. How good is he? How good is he?
It's 190. Tell me before you shoot. Make sure you do.
Are you on him?
Yeah.
Okay. Let him come out a little bit.
Okay.
Do you want to get...
480's got like downhill. I would use my first bar down.
Yeah, that's what I'll do.
Tell me where.
I'm going to let him get up the hill.
There's a water hole. He's going through one of the drops up there and then slow
Okay.
down.
Are you on him?
Yep. I'm on him.
Okay.
Got him. Good shot, buddy. You hammered him, Darr. You hammered him.
Should I shoot him again?
Shoot him if you got him. Hit him. He's down. He's down. Good shooting, buddy. Good shooting. Good shooting, Darr. No, he's done. Good shooting, Darr. You got him, man. You got him.
He's down. He's down.
Good shooting.
Thanks, Jay. I'd say we're even. Thanks.
Good job.
Thanks, buddy.
Right on.
Thank you. Thank you. He's down.
Let's go get him, huh?
Yeah.
He's a beautiful buck. You're gonna love him.
I can't wait to see him.
You're gonna love him.
He looked big in the scope.
Yeah, he's a good buck. He's a good buck. Good job. Good shot.
Thanks, buddy.
Get him, buddy.
Thank you, sir.
That was what, a 30-minute hike straight up?
Look, pan down where I came from.
We're on top of the world up here.
I'm from 1,000 feet in elevation, and this 10,000 feet is a little hard on the lungs. Let's go check him out up close, huh?
All right,
Thanks, buddy. There he is up behind that little cedar tree. He should be right up here. He's a dandy.
Nice buck.
Yeah. He's dead.
Good shooting, buddy.
Thank you, Jay. Man, he's a dandy. Oh, man. Oh, man.
Got some character, doesn't he?
Oh. Dude. He's a dandy. Oh, boy.
What'd you do?
Oh, my. Oh, my.
Pull him up so I can see him.
Look at the trash. Oh, yeah.
That's
Oh,
your biggest mule deer.
that's definitely my biggest mule deer.
Right on, buddy.
Thank you, Jay. I owe you big time,
Oh,
buddy.
you don't owe me anything. 2 bucks in a row, Mexico and Colorado. You
Oh.
spotted them.
Look at the trash on this side.
He's killer, isn't he?
Look at that. Heavy bladed. Oh. this thing's a tote.
What do you think, buddy?
Thank you. That's all I can say is thank you. Let me look. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 on one side. No eye.
No eye guard, barely.
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. 5, 6.
Awesome buck, huh?
Oh man. Heavy.
2
bladed.
great shots. What was it, 487?
487. I was so out of breath.
Huge hill.
I said I was
monster
waiting for him to get out in the sun, but really I was trying to catch my breath. Oh man. Thank you. I can't tell you, Jay, I owe you big time.
I don't know what you owe me for.
Well, you spotted him.
He's a beauty, isn't he?
He is. I love this trash.
I wonder if Stevie's seen this buck.
I don't know if this is the buck he saw or not. I don't know. I don't think it is. I don't know.
He's a good buck, isn't he?
He is a great buck.
Your best muley.
Definitely. Definitely.
Hold him up a little bit. They're heavy, aren't they?
This huge body. Look at the neck on it.
Oh, he's a jumbo. Good job, buddy.
Get in here with me.
Good job. Big old buck.
Pig.
Big old buck, isn't he?
Look at the character. Heavy, bladed, extras.
Everything. He's everything I told you he was?
He's everything you said and more. Typical J. Scott downplay.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks, buddy.
Awesome buck.
Yeah.
Killer.
Look at all that
Look
stuff.
at that. Just, oh shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kickers on this side. Kicker here, little one.
Little one here.
Just a stud of a buck. Nice, big, heavy, bladed buck.
Man.
This is what you hunt for right
yeah,
here.
this is it.
Doesn't get any, but look how palmated he is back here.
Yeah,
I mean,
bladed.
just-
Look at this one. Just bladed. We've had a
big
great
old
hunt here in
pig.
Colorado, haven't we?
Oh, it's been
Last
awesome.
night, Jay waves me over. We're glassing where Jay shot just a giant buck about 3 years ago. Same ridge. Jay says, I've got a cow and a calf elk feeding, and there's a lion stalking him. So I get over to Jay, and we're looking at him, and we watch the lion chase after him. The cow,
Snuck up.
yeah, sneaks up, belly crawls. The cow falls down. The cow and calf run into each other. The cow flips over, and the lion gets her. And we got to watch the whole thing in the wide open.
Unfortunately, the camera was about 100 yards away, but this is a spectacular buck, buddy. Congratulations.
Great end to a great hunt. Thanks again, Steve, for letting us come.
Absolutely. Thanks, Steve Wintering.
Yeah, look at that thing.
Big old jumbo buck.
Look at that.
Huh? You dirty dog.
It's not a
Big old
Scott
buck.
buck, but it's close.
Oh, man.
That is cool. I just want to thank Jay Scott, Steve Winery, my wife and boys for Jay and Steve for all the help and letting me hunt, and Jay for spotting this buck, and my wife and boys for letting me do what I'd love to do so much. And this is by far my biggest mule deer, a 200-inch plus buck. That's what we came here to Colorado for. And Jay shot a great buck 2 days ago, as you'll see on the video, and then we got this one with a couple days in the season to spare. Sun's going down. We'll be home tomorrow. I can't wait. This thing is by far the biggest buck I've killed, and I can't even say how happy I am. I love the character. Big typical frame with some trash. He's awesome. That's what we come to put in for these hard tags for bucks like this. So thanks a lot. Appreciate it.